My name is Hanika. I am your maths teacher. Everyone be ready with your maths textbook. Open your textbook. That is page number 84. Okay, children. So the continuation of fourth chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Already we learned about what is the meaning of pair of linear equations, two variables, and in that two methods also we learned what happened a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Which arises. So graphical representation is intersecting lines. The given system is consistent and independent, and it has one solution. And a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not is equal to c1 by c2. The given system is inconsistent, and which has the graphical representation is parallel lines, and it has no solution. Already we learned. Till here we learned in previous class. Today we are going to learn about next what happened a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what happened in graphical representation? If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the graphical representation is coincident lines, because all ratios are equal means we are getting coincident lines like this we are getting. Okay, so coincidence lines we are getting. So it has how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So the given system is consistent and independent. So first one is consistent and independent, but this one is consistent and dependent. Okay, you have to remember this one. So third one is, for example, I am choosing 2x plus 3y plus 4. It should be equal to 0. Okay, next 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. So in this, first what happened? So in this you have to compare these two equations with the general form of pair of linear equations. So what is the general form of pair of linear equations? The comparison of general form of pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1. It should be equal to 0. Next, a2x plus b2y plus c2. It should be equal to 0. So comparing the ratios. Next, so a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. You have to find out a1 by a2 value. 2 by 4, b1 by b2, 3 by 6, and c1 by c2, 4 by 8. So here clearly 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So what happened? 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. In this between middle which symbol we are keeping equal to, because they are all are equal to each other. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what happened? The graphical representation is coincident lines like this we will get. So coincidence lines we are getting in this. So which condition we are following? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. For example, these conditions we got means definitely the graphical representation we will get coincident lines like this. This is L1, maybe this is L2. Okay, so L1, L2, coincident lines. The given system is consistent and dependent, and it has how many solutions? It has infinitely many solutions. Once look at your textbook, everyone. So they are given third one, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900, and x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Okay, so here a1 by a2 value is 3 by 1, and b1 by b2 is 6 by 2. Next, c1 by c2 value is 3900 by 1300. So if you do the cancellation, 1 ones are 1 threes are, okay, and 2 ones are 2 threes are. Next, 13 ones are 13 threes are, okay. So 3 3 3 you will get. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So all values are equal means the given system is consistent and dependent, and the graphical representation is coincident lines, and it has infinitely many solutions. So clear students everyone. So this table is most useful for you. Okay, this is most important table. This total chapter is depending on this table only. Okay, practice more and more times. Without saying you have to write this table. Okay. Next I am going to start exercise problem. Before the exercise problems, once again we recall this table. Okay. So what happened A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2, and what happened A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not is equal to C1 by C2, and what happened A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So once you observe, so for example, first condition A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. This is graphical representation. Consistency. Okay. Next, solutions. Roughly I am telling. Okay. A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. The graphical representation is intersecting lines. The given system is consistent and independent. Okay. And it has how many solutions? Unique solution. Next, second one. A1 by A2 which is equal to B1 by B2 but not is equal to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not is equal to C1 by C2. So it has the graphical representation is parallel lines. This is inconsistent. It has how many solutions? No solution. Next, third one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but is equal to C1 by C2. What is the graphical representation of this condition? Coincident lines. And this is consistent and dependent. It has infinitely many solutions. You have to remember this point. This is the most important. Okay, this table is most important for you. A1 by A2 not is equal to B1 by B2. Graphical representation is intersecting lines. It is consistent and the given system is consistent and independent, and it has unique solution. Next, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not is equal to C1 by C2. It has the graphical representation is parallel lines, inconsistent, no solution. And 3 are equal means we will get graphical representation is coincident lines. The given system is consistent and dependent. It has infinitely many solutions. Okay, clear? Next we are going to start exercise 4.1. Okay, so 4.1 in this. These points are most important. You have to remember. Exercise 4.1 first problem. So everyone look at your textbook, that is page number 90, exercise 4.1. Read the question. By comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, state whether the lines represented by the following pairs of linear equations intersected at point or parallel or coincident. So just simple you have to observe what they are given equations. In that the equations are comparison with the general form of pair of linear equations. In that you have to observe A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 values. Okay. So next you have to comparison of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. If they are equal, you know what happened. They are not equal also, you know. Okay. So first one, observe. So 5x. Read the question properly. And before this problem, what I explain on the board, that table is most important. Okay. So 7x, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. And 7x plus 6y minus 6 minus 9 is equal to 0. So they are given this equation. So 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. In this, you can observe, and this first what they are asking, what is the graphical representation they are asking. This is given system is consistent or not, they are asking. Okay. So first you observe these two equations are comparison with the general form of pair of linear equations. So what is the general form of pair of linear equations? So a1x, these equations are comparison with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Next a2x plus b2y plus c2, it should be equal to 0. Okay. So next comparing the ratios. So in this a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay, clear? So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 value is what? So 5 by 7. Next b1 by b2 value is what? Minus 4 by 6. c1 by c2 value is what? 8 by 9. Okay? 8 by minus 9. Okay? Clear? So in this, first you have to observe these two values. In this between, any symbols are possible in this between. So as it is possible, not equal. Yes? a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Till here only you have to stop because don't observe the c1 by c2 value. It is not equal. If they are not equal means don't observe c1 by c2 value. Okay? If they are equal means you can observe the c1 by c2 value. If they are not equal means don't observe c1 by c2 value. Okay? So a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. So what happened? The a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2 means the graphical representation is so intersecting lines. The graphical representation is intersecting lines. Yes, the graphical representation is intersecting lines. Okay, yes, children. So it has how many solutions? It has one solution. It has one solution. Next, it has one solution and the given system is consistent and independent. Consistent and independent. Okay, clear? So first you have to observe a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If they are not equal means we are getting graphical representation in intersecting lines. It has one solution. The given system is consistent and independent. Next, second question. In that second question, what they are given, you can observe clearly. Simple. In this total equation is depending on the only single table. Okay. So you have to practice the table. So next question. And this 9x plus 3y plus 12, it should be equal to 0. Next, 18x plus 6y plus 24, it should be equal to 0. So 9 here, these two equations they are comparison with the general form of pair of linear equations. What is the general form of pair of linear equation? a1x plus b1y plus c1, it should be equal to 0. Next, a2x plus b2y plus c2, it should be equal to 0. Okay. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Next we have to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So what is the value of a1 by a2? 9 by 18. And b1 by b2 is 3 by 6. c1 by c2 is 12 by 24. So 9 ones are 9 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 12 ones are 12 twos are. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means in between middle symbol is possible. 3 are equal. So 3 are equal means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what happened? a1 by a2, 3 are equal means. So 3 are equal means what is the graphical representation? Coincident lines. The given system is consistent and dependent. It has infinitely many solutions. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If 3 are equal means the given system is consistent and dependent. The graphical representation is coincident lines. Like this we will get. So you can observe only graph. You will get like this. Okay. So if 3 are equal means coincident lines. Maybe like this also we will get. Okay. Both sides we are not getting. Only single side only we are getting. Okay. Maybe this is possible. This is also possible. It can be possible for these two conditions. Okay. Next, the given system is consistent and dependent. It has infinitely many solutions. The graphical representation is coincident lines. Okay, clear children? Next, I am going to explain about second problem. It is the most important problem, and this is very easy for you also. I will tell you in easy method. Okay, look at your textbook. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them in graphically. In first bit, they are asking it is the given systems are consistent or not, and what is the graphical representation, how many solutions it is having. They are asking that only in first bit. But second bit, they are asking check whether the following equations are check. We are checking. Okay. So verification is most important in this. So these equations are consistent or not, and we are proving in graphical method. We are applying in graphical method. So graphical method. So what is the graphical method? We are using graph paper in this, and we want solutions of given equations. We want solutions of given equations. So look at your textbook. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them in graphically. So first equation you can observe. First equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Next, 2x minus 3y, it should be equal to 7. So I explain in easiest method. Okay. So first we are going to comparison with these equations with pair of linear equations, the general form of pair of linear equations. Okay. So this value is outside, so this is converted into this side. So this can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 5, it should be equal to 0. Next, 2x minus 3y minus 7, it should be equal to 0. Okay. So in this we are going to start graphical method. So graphical method is what? 3x plus 2y. Directly I am writing. Okay. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So first observe the given pair of linear equations are consistent or not. You can observe. Okay. So observe means these values are comparison with a1x plus b1y plus c1. It should be equal to 0. Next, a2x plus b2y plus c2. It should be equal to 0. So a comparison of ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay. So in this a1 by a2 3 by 2, b1 by b2 2 by minus 3, c1 by c2 minus 5 by minus 7. So in these two values between which symbol is possible, not equal to symbol. These are not equal. Okay. If these are not equal, means don't observe this value. Okay. Here not equal to symbol is possible. So a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. The given system is consistent and independent. So you have to write here the given system is consistent and independent, and the graphical representation is intersecting lines. Graphical representation is intersecting lines, and it has how many solutions? It has unique solution. Total problem idea already we got here only. Okay, just compare the ratios. Okay, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. In this only we will get also total problem we will get. Okay, so the given system is consistent and independent. Graphical representation is intersecting lines. It has unique solution. So clearly we have idea about graph also. So in graph what we will get? Intersecting lines. How many solutions we will get? Only single solution. Okay. Now we are going to find out solution of equations. So solution of equations. Simple. In your textbook they are given long method. I will tell you shortcut method. Observe once. So first we are choosing 3x plus 2y. First equation as 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Or we can take directly what they are given equation also we can take. Okay. So in this equation we have to find solutions of this equation. Okay. So how can we find the solutions of this equation? First, in place of x, we keep x value as 0. Okay. X value as 0. So x is equal to 0 means 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 5. So 3 into 0, 0. 0 plus 2y, 2y. 2y is equal to 5. Okay. Then y is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Okay. So 2.5. Yes. So 2.5 is our value. Okay. Next. X comma y value is 0 comma 2.5. 0 comma 2.5. So this is the one solution of this equation. And next we are keeping y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 5. So 3x keep like that only. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 3x, 3x, 5. So x is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means what happened? So 3 ones are. Next we are keeping point means. So 1.6. It will continuation 1.6 only. Okay. So x comma y values are. So 1.6 comma 0. 1.6 comma 0. These two are the solutions of given first equation. These two are the solutions of first equation. Okay. These two are the solutions of first equation. How can we plot in a graph? Once observe. First equation. X-axis and y-axis. Okay. Roughly I am telling 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 value. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is x dash and this is y dash. And 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in this, scale is most important. You can write scale also. On x-axis, 1 unit is equal to how many centimeters we are choosing. Okay. On scale, on x-axis, 1 unit is equal to how many centimeters we are choosing. 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. On y-axis also we are choosing 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? So this is already you know in graph. This is the only they are given scale for 1 mark. Okay. So most important is you have to write scale. Scale means how many units we are considered, how many centimeters. That is the we are considered scale. Okay. Next, plot the points in graph. So x as 0 and y as 2.5. That means in between 2 and 3. So 0 here. X-axis and 2.5 means here giving it. Okay. Next, y as 0. Y as 0 means here only. Next, x value as 1.6. 1.6 means these between 2. Okay. So like this we will get. Join these two values. Okay. Join these two values. This equation represents. So 2x minus 3x plus 2y minus 5, which is equal to 0. Okay. Next, we want other equation solution. How can you find other equation solution? First take the equation. So 2x minus 3y minus 7, which is equal to 0. In this simple first x as a 0, simple method I will tell you. Okay. X is equal to 0. In place of x we are substituting 0. Minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. X is equal to 0, we are substituting. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 3y minus 3y only. Minus 3y minus 7 which is equal to 0. Okay. Minus 3y keep here only. Minus 7 transpose to that side. Okay. Y is equal to 7y minus 3. So 3 ones are. So 4 is left. And point, we are keeping point means 4, 0. So 3, 5, how many values are it is possible? Again 3 to the 6 and one more 1 is there. We are keeping point means 0, 1, 0, 10. 3 3s are 2.3. So leave it here only. So minus y is equal to minus 2.3. Minus 2.3. So x comma y values are 0 comma minus 2.3. Next y as a 0. Y as a 0 we are substituting. So y as a 0 means, so 2x minus 3 into 0 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x keep like that only. 3 into 0 is nothing but 0. Minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 7. Then x is equal to what happened? 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are 6 and 1 is there 3.5. So x is equal to 3.5. So x comma y values are 3.5 comma 0. 3.5 comma 0. So we got two values. Yes, this is the solution of given equation. This is also solution of given equation. So plot the graph in these 2 points. So x as a 0 and y as a minus 2.3. So here you will get. Okay. Next, x as a 3.5. 3.5 means here you will get. Okay. So 3.5. Next, y as a 0 means here only. Okay. Next, x is 3.5, y as a 0. Okay. So join these two lines. Exactly we will not get it because this is rough graph. Okay. So already we got two intersecting lines. Yes or not? These two are intersecting. This is the solution of given equation. So it has how many solutions? Only one solution. Only one solution. Only one solution. Okay, clear students? So simple, we can take this which equation you want to write here? Which equation? 2x minus 3y minus 7 which is equal to 0. So it represents intersecting lines. The graphical representation is intersecting lines. It has only one solution. Yes, it has one solution. And you have to find out intersecting point also. Here which point it is intersected, on y-axis which point it is intersected, you have to mention it clear. So that is the solution of given equation. Now clear everyone? So it is the most important, and in your textbook they are given different, and we can use simple method. First you in place of x you have to substitute x is equal to 0 and then you will get y value. Next y place we can substitute y is equal to 0. Okay, if you want more values, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, like that you have to choose, you will get solutions of these equations. Okay, these solutions of given equations you can plot in the graph, you will get solution. Okay, clear students? It is the most important problem. Definitely in final exam they will ask in 4 marks questions. Graph problem they will ask in these methods only. These 3 methods are most important. So which methods? Intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So first problem clear everyone? Simple, you have to remember, in place of x 0, in place of, next we have to substitute in place of y 0. If you want more values, in place of x we have to substitute 1. Next we can choose y is equal to 1. Okay, like that you have to choose, you will get definitely solution. Clear students everyone? Okay, so next we are going to start next topic in next class. Okay, thank you. And your homework, note down students, your homework. Children, you don't neglect the math class and you have to write classwork neatly and maintain each and every problem after you have to draw the lines. Okay, and now 4th chapter is most important. In 4th chapter they will ask so many questions in final exams and it is very useful for further studies also. Okay, so your homework, note down. Your homework is exercise 4.1. In that first bit, exercise 4.1, first bit, third question C1, and second bit D, E, F, D, E, F, and H, I also. This is your homework problems and these all are graph problems only. You have to solve them. Thank you. We will meet in next class.